In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Binance. By the end, you'll know how to go from a simple Google search all the way to the page where you can post a new P2P advertisement on Binance. I'll keep things clear and add helpful context so you know exactly what you're looking at and why it matters. Start by opening your browser and heading to your favorite search engine. Type Binance into the search bar. Before you click, take a second to verify you're opening the official website. Look for the correct domain, Binance.com, and make sure your browser shows a secure connection with the padlock icon. This quick check helps you avoid copycat sites and keeps your account safe. Once the Binance homepage loads, look for the main navigation. Find the trade option in the menu. Depending on your device or region, it might appear in the top menu or inside a condensed menu icon. Click Trade to reveal trading choices. This is your gateway to different ways of exchanging crypto on the platform. From there, select P2P. P2P stands for peer-to-peer, which is a marketplace where you can buy or sell crypto directly with other users using local payment methods, while Binance provides escrow to help protect both sides. It's especially useful if you prefer bank transfers or region-specific payment options rather than using a card. On the P2P page, take a moment to get familiar with the layout. You'll typically see tabs for buy and sell, filters for currency and payment methods, and your region settings. Now, locate the More option on this page. It's usually placed in the upper area of the interface near other account or marketplace controls. Click More to open the additional menu. Inside that menu, choose Post New Ad. This opens the ad creation interface, where you can configure a listing for buying or selling. You'll usually be able to select the asset, your local currency, whether you want a fixed price or market-linked pricing, your minimum and maximum trade limits, and your accepted payment methods. Remember, to actually publish an ad, you may need to have your account verified and your payment methods properly added, which are standard platform requirements for safety and compliance. If anything looks different from what you expect, it can be due to regional settings or updates to the site's layout. Check that your language and currency match your location, and ensure you're on the official site. To recap, search for Binance, open the site, go to Trade, select P2P, click More, and then choose Post New Ad. From there, you're ready to set the details of your listing confidently and securely.